Hi everyone! So today we're gonna draw Super Mario. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie, or crayons. I'm gonna start with drawing his nose. So we're gonna draw a circle like that. And then we're gonna next draw the mustache. So for the mustache, I'm gonna pick a point in the middle here on the horizontal middle line at the nose and make a curved line to the left like that. And then I'm gonna draw below that line towards the nose again some series of semicircles like that, some more, and there. I'm gonna draw another line, a curved line towards the nose from the last point that I stop, like that. And then below the mustache, I'm gonna draw a curved line like that, and then a semicircle below that curved line like that. And inside of the mouth, I'm gonna draw the teeth following the line, the mouth line on top like that. Then for the tongue, I'm gonna draw some small curved line inside like that. And then moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna draw an oval shaped eye on the right over here. I'm gonna pick this point here and like that. And then for the left eye, I'm gonna draw another one like that. Oop. Let's do that again. So that. Inside of that oval, I'm gonna draw another two ovals. Oval number 1, oval number 2. And then inside of the last oval, I'm gonna draw a circle right on top over here and fill that with a black color. I'm gonna repeat that for the left eye, but slightly to the middle. So we're gonna make him a little bit cross-eyed like that. And then a circle inside of the middle oval. I'm gonna fill that in. After that, I'm gonna proceed with the eyebrow, and we're gonna draw a curved line on top of the left eye, then another curved line on top of that curved line, and then we're gonna repeat that for the right eye. And then I'm gonna draw the cap. So I'm gonna draw from the right eyebrow here. I'm gonna draw across to the side of his face a curved line. From this point, I'm gonna draw to the left and right there. And then I'm gonna draw from that point where the last point that I stopped. I'm gonna draw downwards, slightly straight, like that. Wait, I'm gonna draw that again. I'm gonna draw it straight downwards. Okay. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw a more curving line for the cheeks, going outwards and downwards like that. and then turn it inside. I'll stop there. And from this point, we're gonna draw the chin. So the chin will be curved line in shape. So I'm gonna draw it from this point to the other side of the chin. And then we're gonna repeat that cheek shape on the left for the right side. Okay. And from this point, I'm gonna draw the ears. So we're gonna draw a semicircle like that and go up and back down. And then I'm gonna draw his hair from the side. I'm gonna draw from that point just now. Gonna do two semicircles like this and like this. And then I'm gonna go back to the left side. I'm gonna draw the side of the hair here, and then the ears. Inside of the ears, I'm gonna draw a short line like that. And for the right eye, I'm gonna draw a C shape like that, and another C on the opposite direction like that. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up the cap. So from the point here, from the eyebrow, I'm gonna make a curved line like that. And then from the ear, I'm gonna go towards the left and make a long curved line like that, and then turn back in. And then I'm gonna draw in between those lines that I've just done like that. And for the top part, I'm gonna draw a few more curved lines, long ones. From this point over here, I'm gonna go upwards and to the right. So I'm gonna go upwards and turn it to the right and stop there. Then from this point, I'm gonna do another curved line like that and turn back down. Below the mouth, I'm gonna draw just a short curved line like that. And then for the outfit, we're gonna draw the strap here. So from the chin point here, I'm gonna draw a line downwards to the left like that. And then I'm gonna draw a sharp end like that. And then we're gonna draw another line going upwards like that. And repeat that to the right side. I'm gonna draw the right side slightly bigger because of the angle that we're looking at him. Like that. And then I'm gonna draw a line across from the middle point of the strap right across to the other one. Okay? Inside of the strap, there will be I'm gonna draw a circle where the button is, and for the left side, right. And then I'm gonna move on to the hand. For his left hand, I'm gonna make a line downwards and to the right like that, and curve it in, back in. Okay. And from this point, I'm gonna draw a short line like that. And then from both of this point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line connecting those 2 points like that. And I'm gonna draw a semicircle at the end of that line like that, and the other end. And we're gonna connect those 2 semicircles like that. And then for the hands, I'm gonna just draw a curved line, small ones, some more curved lines like that. And then for the side of the palm, like that. and some small lines at the front of his fist. And from at the side of his overalls, I'm gonna draw a line here towards the glove like that, and then another line inside for the armpit. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw his lower half of his overalls. So I'm gonna draw his tummy. Starting from his tummy, I'm gonna take that point here. So Mario have quite a round tummy, so I'm gonna draw that, a round tummy, and then I'm gonna do a line straight downwards like that for the legs, and then in the middle of the legs I'm gonna draw a short line like so, and then his left leg like that. And from this point here I'm gonna draw another line downwards like that. So at this point I'm gonna connect this point and this point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a curved line and curve it back up and connect them. And the same goes to the left side, but first I'm gonna draw a line for the back part of this leg here, and then connect those 2 points together like that. Okay, now for the front of the shoes I'm gonna draw a semicircle shape like that, and then at the back as well, and then connect those 2 points together like that. And for the base of the shoes I'm gonna draw a small line like this, and then follow the line at the shoe base. I'm gonna follow it to the back like that and stop, and then I'm gonna draw downwards a small line and then continue to the back and connect those 2 lines. And then for the left leg I'm gonna do the same thing as curved line at the back, and then somewhat curved in the front, and then I'm gonna connect those 2 with a curved line. And then for the base I'm gonna do a small line here, a short line there, another line downwards, and we're gonna do follow that line on top and do a small line here. For his right arms I'm gonna draw him pointing upwards. So from this point I'm gonna draw a short line and then another line going up to the left like that. And then from the from this point here, from the ear, I'm gonna draw a line, another line there, and I'm gonna connect these 2 lines together like that, make a semicircle at both ends and connect those 2, and then we're gonna draw the fingers. Finger 1, the other finger, the other finger, the third finger, and the last finger. So I'm gonna connect that to the arms like that. Then I'm gonna add some more details, and I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point towards here. And at the overalls I'm gonna draw a few more lines just for the details. A line here, another line here, and then at the tummy I'm gonna draw a line across from here to the glove, another one below that, and then here another one there, and the last one is at the side of the pants over here, And lastly, I'm gonna draw the M logo at the cap. I'm gonna draw. Oh, I forgot something. The hair at the back. I'm gonna draw some semicircles from this ear point here, going downwards, and another one. So going back to the cap, I'm gonna draw a circle. That. I'm gonna draw the letter M inside of that. And we're done. And that's it for our tutorial today, and I hope you guys find it helpful and enjoy my tutorial, and hope to see you guys soon. Make sure you like and subscribe onto my channel for the future videos, and probably comment down below for any requests or suggestions. That's all for now. See you guys soon. Bye.